All right, here's another tutorial for finding all of your assignments that you need for the week because it's going to be slightly different since students can choose between studying Pirates and studying Space. So here we are again at our launchpad.classlink.com/OUASD. Remember, it says teachers and staff enter network credentials and press sign in. Students click sign in with Google. Students will click here for sign in with Google, but I cannot do that. I am not a student. Your student will not enter anything in username or password here. They will press sign in with Google. And also make sure that you only have your student, logged in to Google within your browser as well. But I'm staff, so I have to log in through here. Your student presses sign in with Google. Now, they'll press sign in with Google, they'll log in with their Google account, and you'll come to here. First thing, let's go to our Google Suite right here. Click on that. We're going to click on Google Classroom. This is where you're going to find everything you need. You're going to find the Mrs. Dyer's 4th grade. You're going to click on Classwork. First thing, in the overview documents, you'll see Pirates' new Zoom schedule. So first of all, let's take a look at that. Our new Zoom schedule, everything is at 11. On Mondays, only the Pirate group will meet. All right, on Tuesdays, only the Space group will meet. On Wednesdays, it'll be anyone who needs extra help or extra practice with math, and if you have any language arts questions. Thursday will be when everyone will come. So we'll do science, social studies, and some math. And then Friday, everyone will come and we'll do the same kind of check-ins and Genius Hour and sharing, just like we have before. And all the meeting ideas and passwords are all still the same as they were before. So make sure you have this document saved. It's also in the remote learning overview documents. Then there's the Pirates overview that just gives you what all the different readings are for the whole entire 4 weeks, but we're going to condense this down into 3 weeks. So there's everything you need for that. And then the same overview for Space, where it gives you what all the different readings are and everything like that for 4 weeks that we're condensing down into 3 weeks. And also as the tic-tac-toe menu of the different items that you can choose to do instead of writing. Now, let's go to our weekly assignment list. Here's Pirates and Space Assignment Checklist 1. We'll click on that and it'll open. Let's take a look. Reach reading. Look at checklist week 1 for reading and do comprehension coach. And so if you're reading for Pirates, you're either doing Treasure Island, or if you're reading for Space, it's Faster Than a Speeding Cheetah, and it's comprehension coach. So back to our class link. Back to our ClassLink page, we click on My NG Connect. All right, it should auto log you in as long as you're going through ClassLink. Again, mine is going to look different because I'm the teacher view, but students know how to get to My Books. They'll click on Books. They normally have to click on their book again. And since we're doing Comprehension Coach, look, that mouse says Comprehension Coach. We'll click on that. If you are reading for, Pirates, you're reading Treasure Island. If you're reading for Space, you're reading What's Faster Than a Speeding Cheetah. Whichever one you click on, right? Remember that you click on it, you can have it read to you. You answer all the red cues, and you go through the entire story to do that. All right, for either Treasure Island or Faster Than a Speeding Cheetah. Second, Notes with Mrs. Dyer. There's 2 videos to watch. Elements of Drama and Multiplication with Partial Products. We're going to be reviewing partial products and multiplication this week. So click on Videos. Here's Multiplication with Partial Products. And here's Elements of Drama. You'll click on those and it'll take you to my YouTube channel where you can watch the videos, right? Okay, right? So if we click on Elements of Drama, you can play it right there in your Google Classroom. You don't even have to go to YouTube if you don't want to. All right? Next on our weekly checklist, tic-tac-toe menu or project. Monday, brainstorm it. Tuesday, gather any research and resources. Wednesday, start on the project. Thursday, work on the project. Friday, finish the project. Here's your tic-tac-toe menu. It's on the same document, and it's the same one that's on the overview documents. where you get to choose any one of these that you want to do. You can write an explanatory, write a lesson, draw a map or a diagram and label, opinion writing, taking a video, photograph, or film a presentation about your topic, build or show or present something, do a graph, do a narrative, create a play, skit, or a movie, or a dance that does the topic, survey other people. This one might be hard to do right now. Writing a paragraph predicting what would happen or change in 10 years on the topic, build a model or diorama, create an original game, memorize and recite a quote, short list of facts or speech, write an opinion, explanatory, or a narrative, or write a comparison essay. All right, so it's all right there. And just like we would for writing, that you brainstorm, do some extra research, work on the project, and then finish it. Small group reading, again, if you can find titles, it's on the overview document. Grammar is all going to be Lexia for 15 minutes a day. All right? Oops, it says Lexia 15 or Quill minutes a day, right? It should say 15 minutes a day. Okay? For Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Math is all going to be Dreambox. There's no extra lessons or anything else. It's just Dreambox. 20 minutes a day, every day. Science, Mystery Science. So you'll come back to Google Classroom. Click on Science. Here it is. You click on it for Mystery Science, and it'll take you right to what if there is no electricity. You can watch the videos. It can tell you what you need if you're going to do the experiment with it, but you can also just watch the videos. And then lastly, social studies. There are 2 newspapers, and then I will post 2 Kahoots later this week. But for now, you have, if you click on social studies, oh, it's not posted yet. Whoops, there it is. It will post as soon as it can. There's week 26 and week 27 to read the newspapers. All right, that's everything you need to know for this week, and it'll follow the same things for the next couple of weeks. All right, keep on.